Muraho neza. Uyu munsi tugiye kurebera hamwe igice cya gatatu cy'icyongereza n'ikinyarwanda, English and Kinyarwanda part 3. Tugiye kugaruka ku bibazo dukunze kwibaza ndetse no gukoresha mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Necessary questions likely to use in English. What happened? Byagenze bite? Is it true? Ni ukuri? What do you like? Ukunda iki? Are you a student? Uri umunyeshuri? Which subject do you like? Ni irihe somo ukunda? Sorry. What happened to you? Ihangane, ni iki cyakubayeho? Have you all parents? Ufite ababyeyi bombi? What name of your father? Izina rya papa wawe ni irihe? Have you ever your father been a soldier? Papa wawe yigeze aba umusirikare? What about your mom? Bite bya mama wawe? Are you a firstborn in your family? Uri imfura mu muryango wawe? How many children do you have in your family? Mufite abana bangahe mu muryango wawe? How are you? Makuru yawe? Are you married? Warashatse? How old are you? Ufite imyaka ingahe? Have you listened to me? Wanyumvise? What is your name? Witwa nde? What names of that boy? Uwo muhungu yitwa nde? Who owns this bag? Ninde nyiri iki gikapu? What is your girlfriend? Ninde mukunzi wawe? Or who is your girlfriend? Ninde mukunzi wawe? Can you join to me? Urashobora kwifatanya nanjye? Is this first time you have seen me? Ni ubwa mbere umbonye? Take you. Will you come to visit me? Murakoze, uzagaruka kusura? See you next lesson 4. Dusubire mu isomo rya 4. Ndabakunda cyane mwese, mwabanye ni mwarimu Jean Pierre. Reka dufatanye uru rugendo rwo kwiga icyongereza n'ikinyarwanda kugira ngo twunguke ubumenyi bushyashya. Wowe utarakora subscribe, kanda subscribe, kandi wowe wayikoze Imana igumye guha umugisha. Ndabakunda cyane, bye bye.